Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com, making this a small video about pound franc. I made a video earlier, like 30 minutes ago, but since I'm using this new program to make the video, I messed it up. So I'm gonna try again. All right. All right, let's get started then. In my last webinar on Sunday, I told my subscribers that I'm going to take a short trade in this pair, which usually I don't trade at all. For the longest time, I don't remember taking a trade in the last year or so. But the setup is there, and I said, okay, let me see if I can show you with already telling that okay, I'm going to take a short and then take a short and then show it, right? If it doesn't go in my way, it goes to the upside, then I'll take a long and then show that trade. Either way, I'm going to take a trade. So, okay. So this is what it is. And it's a 20-minute chart. And I took a short here. And it's now going in my way so far. So just dragging to the downside. Now here, my entry here, right? Okay. So beside that fact that I took the trade using my Magic Artist system, but I just want to show you that other possibilities were there, and how do I analyze everything. So this is a 20-minute chart, and you can see that there's a possible butterfly pattern. This is the black count X, A, B, C, D. It has a specific calculation. If I have the chart here, let me show it to you. Okay, so this one, for example, um, I have to show the screen, and I guess now you're gonna see it. So this is a butterfly pattern diagram that I made long time ago, and this is how it's supposed to be. So B point should be at 78% of XA, then goes the price goes to either 38% or 23% and make the turn, and then go down all the way to 127 or 161% of XA as an extension, right, beyond the low of this X at point D. That pattern is finished, and then you're supposed to go long from here. My way of doing the trading is that if I can pinpoint point C, and then I can take advantage of all this distance, right, before we get to point D, and then take this trade anyway. So there are a couple of trades to take, couple of hundred pips to make. So why waste the time and the pippage for no reason? So this is the one that I'm looking at right now. You can see. Let's. I want to show you the other version that I had. For example, this one I put it there. Here, see, so I put the diagram on the chart that this is what's happening, and this is why I'm taking it. One of the reason, right? But not only that, if you notice that I have this yellow count X, A, B, C, and if you pull the fib from A to B, this is at 61%. And then we are back to this fib's 23% line, which is very important. So it may bounce from here and then go to 78% to make a bearish Gertley pattern. What the heck is Gertley? Gertley pattern is, let me show it to you, is this, right? So this is the calculation as X, A, B, C, and that's exactly what's happening there. You just saw. We are at 23% line of the fib from X to A, right? And like here you can see I pull the fib from here to here, X, A, B, C at 23%, and B was 61%. So then it goes to 78% to make a bearish Gertley and then drop. So if that happens, obviously I'm gonna get out of this trade and may lose 5 pip or no, maybe come out break even, and then we're gonna go to the upside, and I'll be watching it on my 7-minute chart and take long then, and recover my if there is any loss, 4, 5 pip, 3 pip, whatever, and then make some going from here to here from the 7-minute chart. 7-minute chart is smaller, it moves fast, and if it goes up here, right here somewhere, the 7-minute chart will turn bullish and give me a long setup. Take me out here, and then I will take the next long setup and go to the upside. But if not, and if we stay here and we're gonna go down and go finish this pattern at point D, this is most likely to happen, and that's why I took the trade. I already had a nice setup, and let's go, and let's see what happens, right? So this is how I just want to show that, Joey. Remember, we have a bet, right? So who's gonna take the trade? So you didn't show me anything yet, and I am, I took the trade here, and then we go down here. That would be 100 pip nice and clean trade, as I said, right? So let's see what happened. If I'm right, even like I said, if I'm wrong, then I can, if the price goes in the other direction, I will still take a trade and make some pip, and I'll show it to you guys. Don't worry, right? Either way, down or up, doesn't matter. The system is unique. The system is beautiful. I mean, if you stay on top of it and if you learn properly, then you can do amazing things with that. So this is how it is. Either a bearish girdle, or the first thing is the bullish butterfly will come here and finish up here, right? Or if it goes up, it's gonna go into this area, make a bearish girdle, and then drop later on. Maybe not. It depends, right? So far, I had a couple of nice trade. For example, I had. Let me see if I can show you this. See this one. I had it on the 30th, right? So we were going up, and it is like Elliott wave count, wave A, and then B, A, B, C, B, and then C. Or it could be 1, 2, 3, followed by wave 4 and a dip, and then wave 5. So what happened here? You can see here nice and clean that this is what happened. It turned out to be 1, 2, 3. I closed my trade here, remember? The first one, and then it dipped here for wave 4, around 38% to 50%. And then it went up for wave 5, right there, giving me a beautiful entry. And I took it all the way to the upside. The first trade was also 85, and then this one is 85. Now, today I was expecting USD strength, but what happened? Powell was testifying, and the USD started getting weaker. So really what happened is that Euro USD went up. So what did I do? Very easy. And let me see if I can show you here. You see that? This was earlier in the last week. This was the trade I did for like maybe 120, 130 as well. And this is the one today. When, beautiful trending to the upside, went up, came down, nice, beautiful long setup, Powell testifying, and USD went up. Even though I posted on my Telegram that USD may bounce, if you can see this chart here. Let me show it to you. This is what's no, not this one. Okay, here. This is my Telegram, and then I posted a 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 finish here. The question is that is it finished here, right? Usually it's making a double bottom here, right? Usually it goes beyond a little bit more to 127 extension level if you pull the fib from here to here. So I was just guessing that maybe if it start to go up, then we have a good shot on all 7 pairs. But no, it went down a little bit, and because of that, we had a long in pound USD, Euro USD, Aussie USD, and Aussie USD, and USD franc, USD CAD, and USD yen went down. So and I just showed you that how easy it was taking a long in Euro USD, right? So this is what's happening here, pound franc, and this is my entry here, and let's see what happened. So whatever happened, I will make another video and show it to you guys the next day. That how beautifully I use this system at will, and it doesn't matter where the price goes, even if you don't know anything from before, but you just when the volume time right now is at that time, it's just like an hour before the Frankie. So around Frankie open, the volume start to come in, and then London session volume will come in full force, and then it will show my 7-minute chart shows the way, where the heck we're going, and all you got to do is find the entry using the system and the rules, and then take the entry and ride for the rest of the day. All right, so this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the trading week.